Alright, back again, and in this tutorial we will resume from previous tutorial where we were doing the uh, gradient bar for enemies. Again, one thing that you will notice is that even if we make this canvas here like this, problem with that is that if I write it here, every canvas every gradient bar, every canvas adds certain overhead in terms of calculation, that is it require separate drawing call, and hence increasing the overhead, which we don't want. CPU cost will be higher. So for just for player it's fine, but for loads of enemies and player, each canvas will be a which will be expensive on draw calls. So we will simply make one canvas and make each progress bar child of it, since it's UI element. This will since it's UI element, so we need one canvas parent for it. So you guessed it right, once the prefab of enemy is loaded, it will make canvas its parent game object, but we will store the reference in case we want to do some manipulations on it. That is updating the score and health. So this is what we will try to do in this tutorial. And before doing that, another thing we noticed was this: in this last war, this hexagonal thingy was bit out of the bounds of the window. So what we will do is go to canvas that had this main menu thing on it. So this main menu and this BGA overlay, this BGA one, I think, yeah, this one, and this background needs to have more width like this and more heights, I suppose, like this. So now it scales properly, I guess. Nope, it doesn't. The height is less, so we will put this back here and set the scale to 1. And if we set the scale to 1 and now we put it in here, it will look fine like this and look fine like this. And even we can 1920 by 1080 here again. So this is it, and this is properly scaled, I think. So now we will save it again, and for the progress bar we can make a we can take this canvas at the top here, somewhere here, and then we will try to make it make this gradient bar a child of it. So to do this, simply drag and drop this canvas here, call it canvas parent, something like this is fine. Canvas parent for progress bars. Yep, this seems fine for me. So again, now when we will play, obviously since it's not a gradient bar is not a child element of this player, so it will remain be left behind when the player moves. So as you can see, the player moves but the progress bar doesn't. So this we will look in a next tutorial.